Texas toast bread. We're gonna go ahead and dip them in this bubbling hot butter. Be careful, let that soak just a little bit. Turn it over, pick it up from the corners so you don't get burned. Place it in this dish, and we grab our second loaf, nice and thick, just how we like them. Go ahead and twist it a little. Second one, grab that. There we go, guys. We're gonna go ahead and pick it up, and we have this hot. Over here, got some shredded cheddar. Grab yourself a big handful. We're gonna use this in two different ways. Stick around to see how. Come back over here and we close this tightly. Let's check it out. Beautiful color, I hope. That's exactly what we wanted. Look at those bubbles. Let's bring it over here. Place it right here. While this one cools down, we have the first one we put in, and we're gonna go ahead and start working on it. I have an apple core that I'm simply gonna twist and remove. We twist and remove. We just keep doing the same thing all the way through. All the way until we get every hole, every square holed in. So we have some thinly sliced chicken breast, and we're just gonna dip it, drop it right in this dill pickle juice. Grab our second one, do the same thing. Beautiful. Stuff it in there, nice. Now we're gonna grab this ranch packet seasoning. Go ahead and pour it in there. Don't worry if it looks like it's too much. We're gonna go ahead and quickly just drop a little bit of this juice. Give it some space, push that in there. Nice and tight, that's what we're looking for. Give it a little shake. Give it a little twist, and now that it's been marinating for a few hours, we're gonna open it up, grab this, and bring it onto our plancha. We're gonna lay it down nicely, just like that. Grab our second one, second chicken strip, bring it, place it nicely on the grill. I'm gonna get this hot press here. And we continue. Chicken is completely cooked through. We're gonna go ahead and grab all of it. Place it right here. Grab a nice amount of this delicious sauce. Move over. All right, guys, we've got this delicious sauce that we're gonna spread all over here. Got a little salad, and remember there's little holes we poked out. They're on there, just call them croutons. Got some hot little veggies here that we mixed up. Onions, bell peppers, and mushrooms. Look at that. Grab this chicken. Here's some delicious melted cheddar right there. We're not going to use all of it. Just put some on there. Beautiful piece of beef steak. Gonna come right over here to this awesome mix of seasoning, and if you want the recipe, you can find it at chefclub.tv. Let's cover it completely. And let's go to the grill. Now we're going to take this, flip it over on the other side. Okay, we are now happy. I'm going to bring it over here. Beautiful crust. Let's take that off. Grab this little thing here. We start to cut it apart. All we're doing here is making sure that this beef is nicely cut to the perfect sizes that we want. baby in. And take these off. Grab some nice cotija cheese. And with our little press here, smash it. And the third one. We got our meat. I'm going to drop it off right here. Perfect. All right, this is smelling like it's ready. Let's check it out. I want to check the bottom, make sure I have a nice little crust. Let's drop it off right here. Wow. Let's get that out the way real quick. Take these off. Grab this, and we're going to move on to our next step. The green ones you see here are naturally colored with an ingredient called nopal. It is a cactus that bears a fruit called prickly pear. They're super sweet and delicious and perfect in the summertime. We got some hot oil. Bring it over here. Drop it in quickly. We're just going to wait for these bubbles to show up. Looks like they're about ready. We don't want to make them hard. Strip some of that excess oil. Let that drip. Come over here, and we continue that process. Follow me this way. We start placing these right here in the same order. Careful with your hands. Just place that right there. Now come back with one more, and what we're gonna do here is press it in. Careful not to break it. And we are off to the oven. And we'll be right back. Okay, we are about ready. Let's remove this. Let's remove this. Take that out. Nice. Cover that up. Don't burn yourselves. Let's grab this. And we flip like that. Place that down. All right. Let's get this out the way. Let's see what's going on. Put that down. Let's remove our little circles here. Carefully. Last one. Let's move on. Right there. Now, don't forget we have this here. Let's go ahead and start placing them like that. Let's get our last one. Let's come over here. Let's drop off some of these veggies all the way around quickly. We're only gonna go put veggies on the inside ones in case some of y'all don't like them. You can have the ones on the other side. Right here, a little sour cream. One last scoop. Fresh diced tomatoes all the way around. Some jalapenos. Again, just here and there. Radish for color and freshness. A little cilantro. And a fresh squeeze of lime. Let's finish this off quickly with some homemade guac and a little red salsa. Last thing left to do, grab yourself one of these.